In this video, I'm going to explain YouTube TV pricing with Frontier and how bundling these services can help you save money while enjoying live TV and high-speed internet. Let's get started. Frontier Communications offers a partnership with YouTube TV in select areas, allowing customers to bundle their internet service with a YouTube TV subscription for added convenience and savings. As of now, YouTube TV's standard price is $72.99 per month, subject to change, which includes access to over 100 live channels, unlimited DVR storage, and up to 3 simultaneous streams. However, when bundled with Frontier Internet, you may qualify for promotional pricing or discounts depending on the package you choose. For example, Frontier often advertises special rates for new customers who combine YouTube TV with their fiber optic or DSL internet plans. Frontier typically offers several internet plans, ranging from basic DSL to high-speed fiber optic options. If you're a heavy streamer or plan to use YouTube TV on multiple devices, opting for a faster internet plan, like Frontier's gigabit fiber service, is recommended to ensure smooth streaming without interruptions. Bundling YouTube TV with Frontier can also simplify billing by combining both services into a single payment. To check availability and pricing, visit Frontier's website or contact their customer support team. Be sure to ask about current promotions, as Frontier frequently updates its offers for new and existing customers. Keep in mind that while bundling can save you money, it's important to review the terms of the promotion, including any contract commitments or fees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on streaming services and internet bundles. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you understand YouTube TV pricing with Frontier. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.